Congratulations! I'm glad you're one of the select few to get exclusive access to this never-before-seen video. For the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal something you've never heard before that is guaranteed to make you more money this year than you have in the past 5 years. If you want to stop spending your precious time commuting to a job you hate that pays you squat and finally start sitting on bank balances like these, then pay close attention to what I'm about to reveal. Seriously, if this isn't the most important video you watch this year, I'll buy you a steak dinner. My name is James Forley. If you're anything like me, I'm sure you've seen hundreds of videos from so-called gurus that try to sell you some piece of crap system that swears it will make you $1,000 today, just as long as you enter your credit card details, right? Well, I'm no guru, and I'm definitely not going to take any money from you today. Seriously, you won't need your credit card, and you won't even have to log into your PayPal account. For once, you won't have to listen to some bogus scam, lame MLM pyramid scheme, or stupid Forex robot. I'm about to show you how I made $2.1 million last year, all while yachting through the Caribbean with my wife and our 1-year-old son. And because I highly respect your intelligence, I'm going to do something that nobody has ever done before. I'm about to log into 3 of my bank accounts live so you can actually see my bank balance. So here I am logging into my Barclays account. And to prove to you that this is my bank account, here's my name, James Forley. As you can see here, I have $612,182.31 parked into this account. All right, let's log into my account with HSBC. Again, James Forley at the top here. Okay, so I've got $581,381.70 in cold, hard cash sitting in this account. And lastly, let's log into my third account. My name here, and I've got $997,687.47 in this account with Bank of America, which isn't too shabby if you ask me. So, now that we got that out of the way, and you now know for a fact that I'm not trying to trick you with fake screenshots like all the other internet marketing creeps out there, let's dive in, shall we? The first thing you need to know is this. Everything you've heard about money is a lie. Every push-button formula, instant money blueprint was only designed to fund the luxurious lifestyle of the scam artist gurus, all while leaving you broke, ripped off, and depressed. Trust me, I've been there. But today is where it all changes. Today, you send a powerful message to all those internet marketing scammer creeps. Because, for the first time ever, you're going to learn how to make more money than you know what to do with. The method I'm about to share with you will rake in boatloads of cash, straight into your bank account, like these people right here.
Wow, James, I can't believe it. I've only been using this system for 1 month, and I already made $41,312.70. Whew, I finally paid off all my bills, and for the first time in my life, I'm debt-free. I owe you huge, man.
Thank you so much, James. I started using your incredible system just last week. I must admit, after watching my money go down the drain with so many other stupid software out there, I was extremely skeptical at first. But I figured I had nothing to lose. In the past week, I went from being in overdraft to having $8,182.12 in my account. I have to show you this just so you can see for yourself.
James, I just made $21,422 this month. It's unbelievable. And I can't believe how fast and easy it was to get my cash. I just clicked on withdraw like you said, and it was transferred into my bank account within 24 hours. No hidden fees, no surprises.
Again, everything I show you today is absolutely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything, and I don't want your money. Here's why. You see, about 2 years ago, I was going through one of the most difficult times in my life. My wife was 8 months pregnant, and I just got fired from my job. We were broke and on the brink of getting kicked out of our home, all with a baby on the way. I bought absolutely any system that promised me instant riches. Believe me, I tried it all. Selling stuff on eBay, affiliate marketing, Forex, and even MLM. You name it, I tried it. I didn't make a dime with any of those so-called proven systems. I've been lied to more times than you can count, scammed out of my money by greedy pigs who just wanted to make a quick buck. Every time I paid for the so-called next big magic breakthrough, I sat anxiously in front of my computer praying that this would be the answer to our prayers. But I never made squat. Those pieces of crap systems couldn't make me $20 to take my wife out for a nice dinner. And then one night, I had enough. I got sweet-talked into some garbage software that I paid $147 for. Once I paid up, I realized it was a bunch of complicated junk. I was so pissed off that I threw my laptop at the wall. My pregnant wife started crying nonstop. She was so stressed that we had to rush her to the hospital because she was starting to have complications from her pregnancy. Luckily, she was fine. But at that moment, I realized something had to change, as if it was a divine sign from the universe. That night, I finally cracked the code. I stumbled upon the Profit Maximizer, developed by super stealth hacker who leverages the perfect timing of the market to automate winning trades. The Profit Maximizer is the best kept secret on Wall Street. I didn't have much money left after wasting it on useless, junky software, so I funded my account with only $250 to test out the Profit Maximizer. And when I made $210 just after 2 hours, I knew I was onto something. But I was so terrified of losing my money that I couldn't bring myself to check my balance that day. When I finally worked up the courage to check my account, I yelled so loud that my pregnant wife ran to see what was wrong. I remember it like yesterday. I blinked twice to make sure I wasn't hallucinating. My bank account read $1,269.14. In just one day, I made $1,019.14. Now, I don't know about you, but there aren't many jobs out there that pay $1,010.14 per day. It's not as if there's any real work involved. All I had to do was download the Profit Maximizer, fund my account with just $250, click a few buttons, and watch the money roll in. Flash forward 1 year, and I'm now sitting on $2,182,382.14 in all three of my bank accounts that I showed you earlier. But I don't want you to just believe everything I say. So to prove to you that this is real, I'm going to do something that I've never seen before. And I'm going to show you live exactly how I earn $922.81 in less than 10 hours. Before we get started, I'm obligated to tell you that the accounts you'll see live have been verified by a third-party official. Every account has been verified as completely accurate, authentic, and factual. This is 100% legal. As you know, the system is foolproof and will give you at least $500 in profits daily, even if you've never traded a day in your life. This entire system is based on a secret loophole in binary options. So, what exactly is binary options? Well, it's extremely simple. All you have to worry about are two decisions: whether an asset will go up, which in the trading world is what we call call, or down, which is called put. Easy, right? Just choosing call or put can make you 170% in profits. But how do you know which one to choose? It's all based on market trends and aggressive analytics that you don't have to waste your time worrying about, because the Profit Maximizer automates all of the winning trades for you. Seriously, you don't need any experience at all because our system does all the work for you literally on autopilot. There's no tossing and turning at night wondering if you made the right decision. All right, so let's get started. I'll start with a new account I just funded with $250. And now I'll activate the Profit Maximizer and let it manage my account on complete autopilot. Take note of the time. You can see that it's 19:17 p.m. All right, so now I'm back 2 hours later. I let the Profit Maximizer run its trades automatically using its special algorithm, and there is now $315 in my account. That means I have already profited $65 in 2 hours without doing a thing. Now I'll just set my timer and come back 5 hours from now. Okay, we're back now, and wow, there's now $560 in my account, all generated from the highly sophisticated automatic trades of the Profit Maximizer. My initial investment of just $250 has more than tripled. If you're one of those people who actually likes to trade, then you're in luck. The Profit Maximizer also has a manual mode that lets the trader use it as a signal system. Here's how it works. First, we switch to manual mode. As you can see, auto trading is switched off. Okay, now let's make a trade. We clicked on Get Signal for AUD/USD. We have to wait for the system to provide us the right signal. As you can see, the signal suggests to us to place a put option. So I'll click on Put and place a $100 trade. Easy, right? Let's get another signal. Okay, I got a signal which tells us to place a call option. I just pressed Open Trade with the signal, changed the trade amount to $100, and clicked on Apply. Now we came back a few hours later. Awesome, we won the trades and now our account balance went up to $925. Incredible, isn't it? The Profit Maximizer really lives up to its name, doesn't it? And that's not all it can do. You also have the option to configure the trading strategy to fit your financial priorities and situation. So basically, you have 3 different kinds of algorithms that you can choose from based on your preferences. Each algorithm has different indicators and risk levels. So if you choose high, it means that you have a high risk tolerance, and low means you have a low tolerance to risk. You can change your algorithm as you go so that the Profit Maximizer system is 100% tailored to your preferences and needs. Okay, so now you've seen the Profit Maximizer in action. I'm sure you're wondering how I could possibly be giving this away for free, right? I mean, this is basically like free money. Well, there's just one catch. All I ask is that after you make your first million, you donate $1,000 to the charity of your choice. Look, $1,000 is pennies when you're putting in bank balances like these. My biggest goal is to start a chain of donations around the world from the lucky few to get access to the Profit Maximizer. And if you're not willing to give just $1,000 away after you make your first million, then please get off this page right now. After earning my millions, I really learned how good it feels to pay it forward. And giving away 100 free copies of the Profit Maximizer system is my way of not only paying it forward to you, but also to charities in need. If you're still here, I take it I have your word that you will send $1,000 to the charity of your choice after you make your first million. Now, you must follow my instructions carefully because you won't have this chance of a lifetime again. When you enter your email below, you'll get instant access to the secret members area where you can use the exact same software system I used to make over $2.1 million over the past year alone. Absolutely free. I don't know how to tell you this, but I lied. There's another catch. If you're not one of the first 100 people to enter your email below, then you won't get free access to Profit Maximizer. If you're seeing this video, there are still a few left. So enter your email below right now to reserve your spot. Again, there's zero charge. You don't pay a dime. What do you have to lose? But there are only a few left, so go ahead, enter your email now. Do not wait on this. This is not going to cost you a cent. If you don't do this right now, your spot will be gone, and your money will be gone with it. So enter your email and click Instant Access right now.